China has a big development. Yeah, look 100 years ago when they founded the party, and now you see today China is one of the biggest trade market, and with a lot of industry and with a lot of handling things. Yeah, China is now big. Yeah. The economy was growing, the people was growing, and I think also this is a fact of the party. Yeah. Because all the people are working together for one aim. It's a change, yeah, because now we have more or less a lot of ICE cars in the companies, in the factories, and this we have to change to electric cars. You know, Foshan and Qingdao are our plants or factories for the electric cars. You see, you have a lot of Chinese OEMs like NIO or Li or other companies which are building up good electric cars. We have always a good relationship between Germany and China, China and Germany. China knows that they need Germany as a door to Europe. Because Germany and France are one of the biggest economies in Europe, and when China has a good relationship to Germany, then they have a good possibility for selling goods and selling things in Europe. On the other side, Germany also knows that they need China for selling their products, especially the industry products. And so it's always a working hand in hand. Lifestyle is totally different. When we are here in China, more or less we are every day going to a restaurant, and you have so many choices here. I think especially during the COVID situation, you only can pay with WeChat Pay or Alipay. It's not necessary to have coins or something like this in the pocket.